What is a barrel polisher and how to use one? A barrel polisher is a machine consisting of a rotating cylinder containing a polishing solution and stainless steel grains known as shot. Jewellery is placed inside the cylinder and tumbled on a motorised base. The resulting burnishing action of the shot on the metal produces a high shine. This polishing method is used after filing and hand finishing small pieces of jewellery and is an effective way of polishing multiple pieces at once. Which barrel and shot to choose? There are many different models to choose from, but it's worth investing in a higher quality machine and stainless steel shot. Barrels also come in different sizes, so make sure you choose one that suits the range and quantity of pieces you're making. Different shapes of shot are available too. If you want to achieve a high shine, stick to rounded shapes like planets and balls. Steel shot with sharp edges will put dents in your metal. How to use a barrel polisher. Before getting started, make sure that the jewellery you want to barrel is clean. Place your shot in the cylinder, cover with fresh water, and add your jewellery and polishing solution. The water to polishing solution ratio varies depending on what product you use, so make sure you've read the manufacturer's instructions first. Make sure the lid is sealed tight. Place the cylinder on the motorised base and let your pieces tumble for at least an hour. Once removed from the barrel, give them a rinse in fresh water and dry with a soft cloth or kitchen roll.